So guys, the issue is that if you do a screen recording in iPhone, by default it's not gonna give you any sound on this one. See, I was speaking on this, but it's not giving me any sound even if I turn this one on, this sound icon. So how you can change this is just swipe down over here. Now you'll have to long press this recording button. See, let me long press this one. Now it will give a microphone option as well. So the microphone is off. Let us click on here. Now the microphone is on. So what I'm gonna do is now I'll go back and now I'll start recording. So it's gonna record in 3 2 1. Now whatever we are speaking, I'm hoping that we'll be able to listen to all of this in after we end the recording. So let me just stop from here, and I think this would be enough. Let's go to our recorded video. Hoping that we'll be able to listen to all of this in after we end the recording. So let me just stop that we'll be able to listen to all of. So I'll stop this now. So that's how you are actually gonna turn on the microphone recording in your video recorder on iPhone. So well, it was just quick tutorial. I hope you found it informative. Thank you. Bye.